Firstly, what's decision intelligence? When people hear this term, they usually associate it with AI, artificial intelligence, or data science. And that's again another common misconception. There are three disciplines which make up decision intelligence. Data science is just one of them. There is managerial science beyond the quantitative and the economic and the numbers and the techniques. You also need certain principles from managerial science. And a third aspect is social science. This is a surprise one for most people. They don't expect the humanities and arts to figure in decision intelligence. Shortly I'll explain why it's perhaps most important. When it comes to data science, it's a discipline of delivering value from data by identifying pertinent insights and making them consumable. There are three key things. Number one, collecting relevant data, good quality data for analysis, and then performing the right analysis on this data. Again, this is not just machine learning, but also simple business intelligence, simple reporting, descriptive analytics. Imagine analytics to be a toolkit. You pick the right tool based on the problem at hand. And number three is consumption of insights. The insights will go waste if the target users can't understand and aren't able to act on it. So that's where consumption of insights using information design is an integral part of data science. Data visualization, storytelling, all of these are part of this. Number two is managerial science. So in managerial science, it's a discipline where you solve organizational problems by bringing in relevant techniques and frameworks by applying the management theory. First is enabling adoption of the solutions that you've created. In data science earlier, we talked about how you come up with the relevant insights and make it consumable. But there is a lot of effort needed in improving adoption. 80% of data science projects fail because people don't adopt. The users just ignore those solutions, even if they are very good. So that's where adoption is a key factor. And second is institutionalization of processes. So there's a systematic way in which you go about. Unless you do it, you connect it to the business workflow and institutionalize it. Again, it won't be used. It won't lead to decision making. And finally, there's an element of managing change. That's where leadership and governance is important. How do you tackle inertia within an organization? So that's where managerial science brings in another set of useful principles. And social science is a discipline which helps understand the target user's behavior and how their interactions are shaped by technology. This is a field which has been gaining in importance, particularly when you talk about from a data analytics standpoint. It involves understanding the target audience behavior, deciphering the interpersonal dynamics, how groups of people come together within an organization or in the real world, how they interact. And thirdly, and most interestingly, how humans interact with technology when they start seeing smart recommendations. And when that becomes a norm, their behavior changes. So in the last 10 years, people have been behaving very, very different when they interact with technology, and this is likely to change. So that's why there's a moving target, and social science is going to be very crucial to understand and make sure that the solutions are tailored to making to the user preferences at that point in time.